Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create a silhouette effect in CapCut PC. So there's this video here that I'm going to use. I'm just going to select cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout on the video itself. Place it on top of like another video or a canvas. I'm just going to go to scenery here and I'm just going to use maybe this video. Select your video on top, go to adjustments, turn down saturation, turn down brightness, turn up contrast, turn down highlights, turn down shadows, turn down whites, and turn down blacks, and illumination as well. If there's still some like highlights, create compound clip and just turn down brightness, again highlights as well, and shadows, and just do the whole thing again to create a silhouette. I might change a different one because it just doesn't really show the silhouette of the person. Here, I'll use this one actually. But other than that, that's pretty much how you can create a silhouette. Just make everything dark. Well, for this one, you don't need to create compound clip because it's already a silhouette. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!